This is Texas 132, and this is a tutorial for a small Lego kitchen. So, let's start building this small kitchen. First, take a 2x4 plate and a 1x4 plate. Put them next to each other like this. Take a 1x3, put it right over here. And then a 1x2 in this, I guess it's a shape of a C that's backwards. So we'll start with the first row of bricks. Take a 1x2 brick, place it over here. Now take a 1x4 brick and put it on the back so it connects these two plates. Take a corner brick, place it right there to make this stronger. Take a 1x1 and a 1x2, place them here, then take a 1x3. So now all the plates are locked together. We'll make this stronger in a minute. Take two 1x1 bricks with the knob on the side. It's got this little lip. Place them in this hole. This is for the sink. So we have a drawer below the sink. Take two of these 1x1 wall elements and place them here. This is the front of the sink. Take a 1x1 brick, put it over here with a jumper plate on the front. This is another drawer. Forgot to say put a jumper plate here, but we all saw the piece go in. Take a 1x4, place it back here. Pick that up by accident. Take a gray jumper plate and a tap. Now you have your sink. Take another corner brick, place it over here. A 1x4 brick with knobs on the side here for more drawers. And now another 1x3 brick. Now all the walls are built up. Take a 2x4 plate and two 2x2 jumper plates. Place the jumper plates on top like this for drawer fronts. Slip the piece in here and you have two big drawers. Next, we'll do the cabinet countertops. We'll make it blue, so take a 1x2 plate, a 2x2 plate, 2x4 and a 1x2. Place them in here. Leave two slots, studs, and you want a little overhang. This is where the grill is going to go. This is where the stovetop is going to go. So take a 2x2 plate, place it on top, and take four studs, 1x1 studs, place them on top for the burners. And now you have a small Lego kitchen with a sink and a stove. Then you can add a refrigerator and you will have a complete kitchen. So, thank you for watching and we will see you next time.